去欣赏。马头琴的长调，把你那胸怀张扬。牧歌飘向四方，方圆百里都吉祥。我是一棵青草，守护你芬芳。你把美酒端出来，我醉在你的胸膛。你把月亮升起来，我因为到天亮。岁月有多久，幸福就有多长。爱就像骏马，只剩下远方。我把烦恼全抛开，你听见我的奔狂。我把白云换过来，你看见我绽放。
5-axis Gantry Remote Control Server 4. Last lecture we talking about the server control the client which connecting a physical machine. Right now we're doing a function similar to TeamViewer allowed us to control the client physical machines by server. Let's see how to do it. First, in this demo computer, use remote function, use open server to open IP address on the server 192.168.1.111 and go to the client, use remote as well and choose open client. Input server IP give 192.168.1.111 and then press OK. Client connected shown on both screens. At the server computer, right now we have to set client PLC input back because the client connected with a physical machine. If physical machines installed a PLC which input singular can be back to the server. Thereafter, the server just like install next to the physical machines and control the physical machine immediately. The client input back, client PLC input back parameter give 1. The 1 means if PLC on, allow client input back to server. In this lecture, we want to show very important instructions at the parameters table. The last one, client button, let it be on. At the server, this parameter be on is similar the server direct control the client and the physical machines as well. For example, at the server we change the PLC 1 to PLC 2. Then we can see immediately at the client showing PLC 2 as well. Then it change back to PLC 1. As to the page number, at the server change to P2. The client showing P2 immediately. Let's change P2 back to P1 again. As to the control system number 1, and the server change to number 2 control system, and the client immediately showing number 2 control system. Let it be back. As the join mode at the server, we change to Cartesian coordinate system. Why? And the client still keeping in join mode, never change. What happened? Oh, this is a trick. We must be very careful, because the server control the physical machines only on teach modes. Yet that means, as we want to change Cartesian coordinate at the server and want the client the same change to Cartesian coordinates, we have to let the server being teach mode. Okay, we change back to join mode first, then change to teach mode. In this moment, we change join mode to Cartesian coordinate system, and after the command launched, immediately the client showing Cartesian coordinate system as well. Be careful about this operation. So after this, we can doing the Cartesian coordinate system teaching. Then in here, suppose we're doing the Cartesian coordinate S, Y, Z. Let's press Z minus going, suppose to here on the screen of the client showing S minus 200 as well. If we use start point, lock it, you can see K7 minus 200, etc. And then suppose the Y minus going. The client moving simultaneously to Y equal to minus 200 as well. Suppose the end of teaching, press end point, K12 minus 200 minus 200. Whenever there are datas in the data field, we are taught we can run to see the virtual simulation. Okay, let's run. Why? We only see the server simulation, but the client never move. But we are taught the client can work simultaneously like the client moving. How can we do it? We know we have to let client button become 0. Then the client can move simultaneously like the client. But there is a very important warning. Before we change the client button back to 0, we have to let the modes become join modes, because maybe we will forget to change it back to join mode. Then the client will always keep on Cartesian coordinates, and no way to change back to join mode. Okay, then we change the server to join mode and set client button to 0. Then we can run to see the point from here to move to here, and to watch the client moving simultaneously or not. Okay, let's run. Wow, it's true. The client moving to these points, the same as the client moving.
你就是思念陪我去流浪，你把奶酒端出来，我醉在你的胸膛，你把月亮升起来，我因为到天亮。岁月有多久，幸福的有多长，爱就像骏马，驰骋向远方。